back at Pilot Knob State Park, and we're doing a little winter hike. And we have a previous video from the summer for here, so if you want to see the difference, go back and watch that one. But it looks so different. All the lakes are completely frozen, and I wanted to show you some of the scenery on the way here. Just the drive was so cool, so I'm gonna try to get that on the way back for you. But yeah, like people ice fishing, and I don't know, just a cute little town. So yeah, it's kind of cold, but it's not too bad. It was actually sunny today and pretty nice. So we bundled up and came out here and just checking it out.
I think I finally have enough feeling back in my cheeks to talk. That was a nice hike though for the winter.
It was.
Just if you ever do it, bundle up.
Don't wear jeans.
Yeah, we wore jeans to be comfortable, but didn't realize that our legs would be numb on the way back.
Yep. Seeped in.
And I'm sorry we didn't get any footage of it. Probably they're thankful, but there were a bunch of kids sledding there because apparently there's a nice little hill and you can sled on down it, and it ends like right before where the frozen lake is. And it was packed. I mean, I'd say like a couple dozen kids there, and they were all having a blast.
Yeah.
They all wanted to stop and pet our pug. Who can blame them?
Yeah. And he loved it too.
He did, yeah. I mean, the snow there, I'd say like was 3 or so inches deep.
Yeah.
So
I'd say it was definitely a good bit more than we've gotten at our house.
Yeah. Mabel is overtired though. She's over it and overtired.
Yeah. She hasn't napped at all today. And then she was all snuggled up, but her little cheeks were getting cold, so I was blowing my breath in her face. she liked it. Like the only time. That's okay.
All right.
Anyway, on that note.